In this video, I'm gonna give you examples of AI that is patentable and AI that is not patentable in Europe. Welcome to Beyond Best Practice, the place where I share everything I know to help IP professionals file better digital patents. Hope you enjoy and subscribe. Alright, back in full swing after a nice summer vacation. I hope you all missed me. So here's another video about patenting AI. And one question I get all the time is if I can give examples of patentable AI and non-patentable AI. So here we go. I talk about this all the time. The litmus test for the question whether an AI is patentable or not at the European Patent Office is if the AI is used for a technical purpose rather than a non-technical purpose. So the question is really then, is the thing the AI is applied to, is that solving a technical problem or not? And there are a number of examples, positive examples for technical purposes for AI. And those are, of course, controlling industrial machinery. So we have the whole topic of Industry 4.0, as the European Patent Office likes to call it. So if you are using AI to solve a problem in the real world, in an industrial setting, if you find better ways of controlling your packaging machine, for example, that is a technical use of AI. Another technical purpose of AI is things like robot vision, 3D pose estimation. So every time you use AI to control a robot, that's pretty technical. And then we have other things like classifying images, videos, audio, speech. All of those are positive examples of what the EPO currently considers to be a technical purpose for an AI invention. And then we have things like ways of using AI to improve the quality of an image, for example, using certain denoising models, for example, in microscopes or digital cameras. And then we have the whole area of data encoding, for example. So things like error correction, compression algorithms, encryption, all of these are pretty much accepted as technical purposes at the European Patent Office. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Bastian Best. I'm a European patent attorney and I'm making these videos to teach you everything I know about digital patents. Non-technical examples, and you will see that this is mostly about if the AI deals with the semantics of the data it is processing. That's most of the time considered non-technical by the EPO. So things like recommending products to the user based on the history of products purchased by the user, estimating the relevance of social media items, classifying text documents based on the textual content, finding similar documents based on their cognitive content. So every time the AI is used on a more semantic level, it is considered rather non-technical at the EPO. Maybe that's the taking home point of this video. The purpose of an AI tends to be technical if what the AI processes when the data is looked at more on a really low-level technical level rather than when the semantics of the data is concerned. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you found this content valuable, here's 3 more ways to file better digital patents. 1. Book a free virtual coffee meeting with me and ask me anything, link in the description. 2. Follow me on LinkedIn for daily-ish tips and tricks. And 3. Email this content piece to a colleague and share it on LinkedIn. This way I see it's relevant and can make more.